AET's piping and valve array system provides first responders and hazmat technicians multiple realistic leak scenarios, from 3/4 to 12-inch pipe, allowing for permanent and non-permanent leak mitigation.
Today we are working with the AET Advanced Entertainment Technologies Hazmat Leak Prop. We're going to be applying some patches. We're going to start off with the C1 kit internal plug. So of course I would have the proper PPE when applying this. Today we're just doing this for demonstration purposes to show you how to actually use the prop. So as we tighten, we've got the drain valve open to relieve some of the pressure on the plug, which allows you to tighten it with ease. Check my plug, make sure it's snug, and the leak is stopped. Now I'm going to move on to the smaller one, the 3/4 inch. Leave that. We're going to move on to smaller plug. Each kit comes with the adjustable wrench and vice grips to hold the plug in place. And the leak is stopped.